Good evening, partners. I'm Bert, head of the India market at TGS. It's a pleasure to speak with you all recently. Our India market manager submitted a report to our US headquarters on the future of robotics in the Indian market. Several questions that everyone is very concerned about have emerged. Tonight's meeting is very important, so please listen carefully. It will help you learn more about TGS. Why is TGS recruiting partners in India? First, India is located in the heart of Asia, possessing a unique geographical advantage, a global supply chain hub. India is situated on a major shipping route in Asia and boasts numerous important ports. As a key link in the global supply chain, India serves as a connecting hub between Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, enabling it to establish close trade cooperation with many countries. Through its geographical advantages. By recruiting partners in India, TGS can more quickly reach markets in multiple regions, including the Asia-Pacific, Africa, and the Middle East. India's geographical location makes it an ideal transit point, allowing for effective expansion into more countries and regions. Secondly, India, the world's second most populous country, with a massive market of nearly 1.4 billion people, offers TGS unprecedented opportunities due to its unique market potential. India's young and diverse population means there is a strong demand for emerging technologies such as intelligent robots and automated products. With the rapid growth of the middle class, consumer demand is becoming increasingly diversified, particularly in intelligent and automated solutions, creating a huge market space. India boasts one of the world's largest technical labor markets. By collaborating with local partners, TGS can more easily access high-quality R&D, production, and after-sales service teams, reducing costs and enhancing market competitiveness. India has a large pool of engineers and tech talent, many with extensive international experience, which can help TGS quickly establish its operations and technical support system in India and surrounding countries. Thirdly, despite the vast size of the Indian market, many industries, especially in the fields of intelligent robotics and automation, are still in their early stages, presenting significant market gaps. Many traditional industries in India, such as manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, and education, are still undergoing large-scale digital transformation, creating a huge demand for intelligent robots and automation technologies. TGS is seizing this untapped blue ocean opportunity by entering this market. While India has made progress in some industries, it still lags behind in smart technologies, meaning TGS has an opportunity to fill this gap with advanced technology. The Indian government has been promoting strategic policies such as Digital India and Make in India, fostering the development of emerging technologies and opening up markets, providing a better investment environment and policy support for foreign companies. TGS can leverage these policy benefits to rapidly expand its market share. 2. Why invest? I don't have money to invest in robotics. First, many robotics technology companies, including TGS, offer flexible investment options beyond large, one-time investments. You can choose to invest in installments or gradually increase your investment, or even participate in equity crowdfunding or small-scale funds. This allows even those with limited funds to participate in the robotics industry. Unlike traditional full investment, you can choose smaller projects through smaller investments, reducing risk and accumulating more investment experience. Second, the robotics industry has enormous potential. It is currently in a period of rapid development and is expected to experience significant growth in the coming years. With the widespread adoption of automation, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, robots are not only widely used in traditional industries such as manufacturing and logistics, but will also find unprecedented development opportunities in fields like healthcare, education, and home life. Early-stage investments in many industries often yield substantial returns. For example, early investors in the internet, mobile payment, and new energy sectors have reaped significant profits. Robotics technology is also entering a similar rapid growth trajectory, offering early investors the opportunity to achieve returns far exceeding those of conventional industries. Third, with the popularization of robotics technology and market development, the robotics industry is no longer an investment field exclusively for the wealthy. Many technology companies offer low-barrier investment opportunities, such as angel investment, venture capital funds, and stocks, allowing ordinary people to participate. Just like with mobile phones and the internet, robotics technology will gradually become more widespread and accessible. Investing in these areas is not only an opportunity to obtain returns, but also to enjoy the convenience brought by future technology. Fourth, the development of robotics and artificial intelligence has become an important part of future society. From smart homes to autonomous driving, from unmanned delivery to medical robots, robots will play a role in almost every industry. While you may not have enough funds to invest right now, in the long run, grasping technological trends is a common characteristic of every successful investor. Investing in robotics is, in essence, investing in the future world, securing a place for yourself in the future economic tide. Fifth, you don't need a large sum. You can start small. Small investment opportunities in the robotics industry are available on many platforms and channels, meaning you don't have to invest a huge amount all at once. You can start with a small amount and gradually increase your investment. For example, participating in stock investments in robotics technology or equity investments in startups doesn't require a large initial investment, yet can yield good returns in the future. Investing in robotics isn't just for the wealthy. Often, the key is whether you can see the enormous potential brought by future technologies. Through flexible investment methods and low-threshold opportunities, you can participate with small investments, not only supporting future market changes, but also reaping returns in this industry with huge growth potential. Investing in robotics is about standing at the forefront of future technology, laying the foundation for your financial growth and long-term interests. 3. Distrust of the manager. Distrust of TGS as a legitimate company. First, TGS is a company with a complete management system, a strong R&D background, and years of industry experience. As a legal entity, TGS's operations, strategies, goals, and decisions are determined by the team and overall strength, not by any one individual. TGS has a strong technical team, management team, and customer support team behind it. Each link is independent of individual trust, relying instead on the company's comprehensive capabilities and execution. Whether it's managers or ordinary employees, TGS's success is the result of teamwork. Company systems and processes ensure that TGS has clear operating processes, management structure, and company policies, ensuring that every task is executed in a standardized and efficient manner, without being limited by the personal factors of a single manager or leader. Even if a team member changes or leaves, the company can still maintain stability and development. TGS's strategic goals are long-term, stable, and sustainable, and these goals will not be affected by changes in individual managers. Investors should not focus on any one individual, but rather on the company's long-term planning and market performance. Secondly, as a technology innovation company, TGS has obtained multiple industry certifications and established partnerships with numerous leading domestic and international enterprises and institutions. Our technologies, products, and services are highly recognized within the industry. TGS is not just a startup. We have years of stable market performance and numerous success stories. Through continuous innovation and investment in multiple fields, TGS has gradually built its brand and market reputation. We publish annual financial reports and business progress reports, which are available to all investors and the public. These reports detail the company's development history, performance, cash flow, etc., ensuring transparency in the company's operations. TGS clients have long-term partnerships and excellent reputations. We encourage potential investors to communicate with existing clients to understand the actual effects of our technology and services, which will help you gain a more objective understanding of TGS's true situation. TGS has strict internal controls and compliance mechanisms and undergoes regular external audits. We base every decision on clear legal grounds and market analysis, ensuring that the company's operations comply with regulations and industry standards. Over the next 10 years, TGS will continue to focus on the development of intelligent robots and automation technologies and expand its influence in the global market. We have developed a detailed market expansion plan and will maintain our leading position in the industry through continuous innovation. TGS not only pursues economic benefits, but is also committed to contributing to social development and technological progress. We firmly believe that as a responsible company, TGS's mission is not only to make profits, but also to drive technological and industry advancement. The success of any company does not depend on any one individual, but is achieved through the collaboration, innovation, and execution of the entire team. TGS has a sound corporate governance structure and a long-term sustainable development strategy, ensuring steady progress regardless of individual circumstances. TGS does not need conservative, theoretically minded partners. We need like-minded, innovative, and pioneering collaborators. We are a new type of technology-driven team, always at the forefront of technology, daring to embrace challenges, and courageous in exploring uncharted territories. That we are not satisfied with the status quo, nor are we afraid of difficulties and failures. We only believe in the spirit of daring to venture, daring to act, and daring to dream. TGS seeks partners who are not merely experienced consultants, but visionary, proactive individuals willing to break down barriers and disrupt traditions together. Seizing opportunities in the rapidly changing technological landscape, together, we create not only technological breakthroughs, but also future opportunities. If you are also a dreamer and an innovator unafraid of difficulties, TGS will be your strongest partner. I've said a lot tonight, but it all comes from the bottom of my heart. Join TGS, and your tomorrow will be even brighter. I will continue to discuss your questions at the next meeting. Good night.